Good morning, students. Today we discuss the integral powers of an element of a group. Let G be a group with binary operation dot. अब यहाँ जो ये बाइनरी ऑपरेशन जो इसने नोटेशन यूज की हुई है वो नोटेशन बाइनरी ऑपरेशन के लिए इसने डॉट ऑपरेशन यूज की हुई है. Be a group and A belongs to G. Let A be an element of G. Then by closure property, if A belongs to G, then A into A belongs to G, A into A belongs to G, up to so on, all these elements are of G. Thus, if n is a positive integer, then A raised to power n belongs to G. Means if A into A belongs to G, then A square belongs to G, A cube belongs to G, A raised to power 4 belongs to G, up to so on, A raised to power n belongs to G. Since inverse of A raised to power n is also an element of G, therefore A raised to power minus n belongs to G because G is a group. If G is a group, then inverse of every and each element exists. So A raised to power n belongs to G and G is a group, so its inverse also exists. So A raised to power minus n belongs to G. In the group G, with respect to binary operation addition, if A belongs to G, then NA also belongs to G because if A belongs to G, then with respect to binary operation addition, A plus A means 2A belongs to G, A plus A means 3A belongs to G, 4A belongs to G, up to so on, NA belongs to G, where N is any positive integer. General properties of groups. First है if G is a group with respect to binary operation star, ये star जो binary operation है कुछ भी हो सकता है, then identity element of G is unique and every element has unique inverse. ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि अगर G group है तो उसकी identity element उसका unique होगा और हर element का unique inverse exist करेगा. यहाँ हम इसको prove कर रहे हैं. If possible, result को contradiction से prove कर रहे हैं. If possible, let E1 and E2 be two identity elements in group G. As E1 is identity element and E2 is any other element belongs to G, here we consider E1 is identity and E2 is taken as some another element of G, then E1 star E2 is equal to E2 because E1 is identity here. Now is equal to E2 star E1. Also, as E2 is identity, we consider here E2 is identity and E1 is some another element of G, then E1 star E2 is equal to E1 is equal to E2 star E1 because E2 is identity and E1 is some another element. So from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 in equations we can say E1 is equal to E2. So identity element of G is unique. Second, हमें prove करना है कि inverse of each and every element of G exist. Let A be any element of a group G. If possible, let B1 and B2 be two inverses of element A under the binary operation star. Result को यहाँ हम फिर contradiction से prove कर रहे हैं. Assume कर लिया B1 और B2 दो inverse हैं A के and let E be the identity element of G. Then A star B1 is equal to B1 star A is equal to identity because here we consider B1 is inverse of A, so A star B1 is equal to identity is equal to B1 star A. Similarly, here we consider also B2 is inverse, so A star B2 is equal to E is equal to B2 star A. Now B1 can be written as B1 star E and now this is equal to B1 star E की यहाँ हम वैल्यू पुट कर रहे हैं और ये वैल्यू पुट नहीं करनी है क्योंकि B1 हम ऑलरेडी यूज कर रहे हैं तो वैल्यू आपने B2 के टर्म्स में पुट करनी है. वैल्यू हमने पुट कर दी A स्टार B2. Now this is equal to associativity property यूज की B1 star A1 star B2. Now this is equal to E star B2 because B1 star A is equal to identity element using this step. And now this is equal to B2 because he is the identity element. So we prove here B1 is equal to B2, so inverse is unique. Second theorem, if G is a group with respect to multiplication, then A inverse is equal to A. अगर हम A inverse का inverse ले लें तो A आएगा for all A belongs to G, where A inverse stands for inverse of A. In second property, AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. पीछे से खुलेगा ये जैसे आप मैट्रिक्स में भी करते हो, मैट्रिक्स में भी ऐसे ही खुलता है. AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse for all AB belongs to G. That is inverse of product of two elements of a group is the product of their inverses in the reverse order. Now for each A belongs to G, first part prove कर रहे हैं. We have if A belongs to G, then A inverse is equal to A inverse है, we can write it like this and this is equal to identity. This implies inverse of A inverse is A. So हम इसको मैथमेटिकली लिखें तो क्या लिखेंगे, A इनवर्स इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू A. Second, A inverse is can be written as A inverse A. This is equal to identity, and B inverse is equal to B inverse B is equal to identity because E is the identity element. Now, here we consider A and B are any arbitrary two elements of G. Now we consider product here, AB into B inverse A inverse. ये step हम consider करके चल रहे हैं. Now this is equal to A B inverse A inverse. हम एसोसिएटिविटी यूज की हमने यहाँ, इसको कंबाइन कर लिया बी इनवर्स को, एंड बी इनवर्स इज आइडेंटिटी, सो वी गेट ए इनवर्स, एंड ए इनवर्स इज अगेन आइडेंटिटी, सो ए बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी. सो वी कैन से ए बी एंड बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स आर इनवर्स ऑफ ईच अदर, एंड वी कैन राइट इनवर्स ऑफ ए बी इज दिस टर्म, और इनवर्स ऑफ ए बी कैन बी रिटन एज ए बी इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स. डायरेक्ट यहाँ से आप बोल सकते हो. यहाँ से इसने सेकंड साइड प्रूव किया हुआ है, क्योंकि जब आप इनवर्स की आइडेंटिटी या जब भी प्रूव करते हो तो रिजल्ट बोथ साइडेड प्रूव करना है, इस करना होता है. इसलिए यहाँ हम अब जो है ऐसे लेके चल रहे हैं, बी इनवर्स ए इनवर्स इनटू ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी इनवर्स, अगेन यूजिंग हियर एसोसिएटिविटी प्रॉपर्टी ए इनवर्स ए इनटू बी, दिस इज अगेन इक्वल टू बी इनवर्स बी इज इक्वल टू आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट. राइट हैंड साइड इक्वल, सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आर आल्सो इक्वल. So by definition of inverse, we can say AB inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Third theorem, cancellation law. If G is a group under the binary operation star, then both left and right cancellation law holds in G. If G is a group, then cancellation law from both sides it holds. First, A star B is equal to A star C implies B is equal to C. ये left cancellation law, हमने यहाँ से A को cancel किया left side से. This result holds for all ABC belongs to G and A is not where A is not equal to 0. And B star A is equal to C star A implies B is equal to C. Here we cancel A from right hand side. This is called right side cancellation law for all ABC belongs to G where A is non-zero. Since G is a group under this operation star and A belongs to G, since G is a group, so inverse of each element exists, so A inverse exists, and consider A star B is equal to A star C, जो हमें given term है. Now pre हमें A को कैंसिल करना है, तो so pre multiplying both side by A inverse, we get A inverse star A star B is equal to A inverse star A star C. Now using associativity, we combine A inverse and A. Here we combined A inverse and A using associativity property. Then we get E. A inverse A becomes E. E star B is equal to E star C. A is identity element, so we get B is equal to C. So you get the required result. Similarly, in the second part we have B star A is equal to C star A implies B is equal to C. Here A is written on right hand side, so you can post multiplying both sides by A inverse, then you can get the same result. You can see here B star A inverse. यहाँ देखो post multiplying both sides by A inverse. उसके बाद आपने यूज करना है इसमें एसोसिएटिविटी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करके A star A inverse becomes identity element, then you can get B is equal to C. Hence your theorem is proved. Okay students, बाकी हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में करेंगे.